go all of a sudden?
He heard the thunder and skedaddled straight into the bedroom.
Poor guy. Let me go grab his favorite blanket to calm him down.
The verb skedaddle means to run away quickly, depart hurriedly, or flee in a rush. It is a playful, informal word often used when someone needs to leave a place in a hurry or when telling a group like kids or pets to clear out.
Hey, look at the time. It's already past midnight.
Oh wow, I didn't realize it was that late. I really need to skedaddle.
Drive safely and let's catch up again next weekend.
The kids skedaddled out of the kitchen the moment they heard the cookie jar shatter.
We had to skedaddle out of the park when it suddenly started pouring rain.
As soon as the supervisor walked onto the sales floor, all the chatting employees skedaddled back to their desks.